Welcome to Get Your Sax Together. I'm pro saxophonist Jamie Anderson. If you're looking to learn how to play the most iconic sax solos in the world, you've come to exactly the right place. And this week is no exception. I'm going to teach you how to play Kirk Pengilly's wailing alto solo on Never Tear Us Apart by INXS. Here we go. Never Tear Us Apart is taken from INXS's 6th studio album Kick and features the wailing alto saxophone of band member Kirk Pengilly. Quite an easy one, this one. If you're a beginner on saxophone, you should be able to manage this. So let's get straight onto it. It's very simple, quite short. I've divided it into 3 simple phrases. Here's the first phrase, played nice and slowly so you can learn it. Here we go. What you might notice in this first phrase is that there are scoops and bends into the notes. Now, if you want to master that technique, go up to the card linked there and find my video, which is called How to Get Vibrato on Sax, Practicing Throat Flexibility. That will teach you how to do it. If you can't remember all the notes in a WANNE, do not fear, I've got you covered. Just go down into the description of this video, click the link, and I will send you a PDF of the sheet music of this number with the solo written out for alto and tenor sax. Pretty high for tenor sax. That's why I'm only going to give you the notes for alto on this video. But go down there, grab your free PDF. Moving swiftly on to the second phrase. This is a nice little shorty for you. Here we go. Finally, phrase 3, which has got this lovely ascending line to finish the solo. Here it is, played nice and slowly for you. So that's all there is to it, a nice easy one. A few of you have requested it for this channel and I am here to serve you. So I hope you enjoyed it, learning how to play Never Tear Us Apart by INXS. Right, if you're enjoying the channel, please do subscribe. Click that bell icon to be notified when I upload new material. Go and check out my Instagram feed. And of course, if you go down into the description, click the link, you can get a free PDF transcription of the song, which is going to look a little bit like that. Pretty cool resource to get. I'm not going to hold it in front of camera too long. Click the link and you can get your own immaculate transcription of this solo. So I look forward to seeing you next time on Get Your Sax Together for more sax goodies. Take it easy. Have a good week. See you later.